In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero bank accounts, how to reconcile invoices, bills, spend and receive money transactions in Xero 5 minutes. First, log into your Xero account, click the login button, enter your email and password, and complete any authentication prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, open your bank account tile and select Reconcile items to see your bank statement lines ready to process. Xero will automatically suggest matches for many of these lines based on amounts, dates, references, and contact names it recognizes. Review each suggested match carefully. If it looks correct, simply click OK to accept it. This posts the accounting transaction and marks the bank line as reconciled in one smooth step. When Xero doesn't suggest a match, use Find and Match. In the search panel, look up the transaction by name, reference, or amount. Tick the checkbox beside the invoice, bill, or expense that relates to the bank line. If one statement line represents multiple invoices or bills, select all relevant items so the total equals the bank amount. When the total matches perfectly, click Reconcile to complete the match. If no existing transaction is available to match, create one so you can reconcile accurately. Go to Business, then Invoices, and choose New Invoice. Enter the details to mirror the bank line, the contact, date, description, account code, tax treatment, and exact amount. Approve the invoice when you're done. Now return to Reconcile items, choose Match, select the invoice you just created, click Reconcile, and confirm to finalize. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Always check that dates are reasonable and that references on your statements align with your invoices or bills. If you're matching deposits from multiple customers or grouped payouts, use Find and Match to select several items until the totals balance. For partial payments, select the relevant invoice and let Xero track the remaining balance automatically. Make sure tax rates and account codes are consistent with your chart of accounts and local tax rules so reports stay accurate. That's the workflow. Log in, open the bank reconciliation screen, accept Xero's suggested matches where they're accurate, use Find and Match to locate invoices, bills, or expenses when needed, create and approve an invoice if nothing exists, then match, reconcile, and confirm. Follow these steps each time you bring in new bank lines, and you'll keep your invoices, bills, and simple spend and receive money transactions cleanly reconciled in Xero.